Hey guys, Derek here from Modern Castle. The Samsung Jet 90 and Dyson V11 are two of the most high-end cordless vacuums on the market. Which is the best for your home? Let's go ahead and find out now. At Modern Castle, we test vacuums on 3 floor types and against 4 debris types. Our cleaning scores are based on the percentage of total debris by weight removed by the vacuum during our tests. Both vacuums performed well during our tests, with an overall score of 97.7% for the Samsung Jet 90 and 99.8% for the Dyson V11. The Jet 90 did a great job on each of the 3 floor types, with all results at 96.5% or higher. While cleaning cereal, the tube got clogged when we ran the vacuum on medium power. We increased suction to max power, and the vacuum was able to remove all the debris without clogging. The Dyson V11 score was nearly flawless, with 99.5% or higher on each floor type. The V11 has an intelligent suction feature, which detects floor type and adjusts suction power accordingly. Both vacuums have strong suction. The Jet 90 suction power is 200 air watts, which is higher than the V11's 185 air watts. However, the higher power didn't result in a better cleaning score for the Jet 90. We also tested the runtime on the Jet 90 and the V11. According to each manufacturer, they are both expected to run up to 60 minutes. However, in our test, the Jet 90's max runtime was 43 minutes, while the max runtime of the V11 was nearly 83 minutes. Both tests were on low power with a multi-surface brush roll. The Jet 90 and V11 are fairly similar in terms of design. They both have a 2-in-1 design that allows them to be used as a stick or handheld. They both have click-in attachments, 3 suction levels, a washable filter, and a click-in battery. In addition to the differences we've mentioned in suction power and runtime, another major difference is the digital display on the V11. The display can show cleaning modes, estimated remaining runtime, and maintenance alerts. The Jet 90 does not have a digital display. It is a small screen to indicate the current power mode. Another difference is the inclusion of different cleaning heads. The Jet 90 comes with 2 cleaning heads, a multi-surface cleaning head, and a hard surface cleaning head. The V11 only comes with a multi-surface cleaning head. Dyson makes a soft roller head designed for cleaning hard surfaces that can be purchased separately and used with the V11. Another feature that differentiates the Jet 90 is its convenient charging stand. The stand is slim and can fit easily against a wall or corner for storage. The stand can charge the battery while it's in the vacuum, or the battery can be removed and charged separately. Users can purchase additional batteries and charge 2 at the same time. As for size and weight, the V11 is slightly bigger than the Jet 90. The Jet 90 has a telescoping wand that can extend or retract to adjust height or to make it more compact for storage. Check the link in the description if you're interested in buying the Samsung or Dyson.
In addition to the cleaning heads, the Jet 90 and V11 also include helpful tools and accessories. The Jet 90 comes with the previously mentioned charging stand, plus an extendable crevice tool, mini motorized tool, combination tool, and a pivot connector. The V11 includes a crevice tool, mini motorized tool, combination tool, soft dusting brush, and a stubborn dirt brush. The V11 includes a wall mount, but it's not freestanding like the Jet 90's charging stand.
As for usability, both the Samsung Jet 90 and Dyson V11 are convenient and easy to use.
Both can be converted to handheld mode by detaching the wand and clicking in one of the attachment tools. In both cases, the range of tools helps users clean hard-to-reach areas. Maneuverability is good for each of these vacuums. The Jet 90 and V11 can both lay nearly flat against the ground, and they both have a tight turning radius of 90 degrees.
Maintenance tasks are similar between the Jet 90 and V11.
Users will need to empty the dustbin, wash the filter, charge the battery, and keep the brush roll clean. Emptying the dustbin is more convenient on the V11 thanks to the easy point and shoot design. The bin on the Jet 90 requires more effort and needs to be fully removed from the vacuum body. The V11 has the added benefit of displaying maintenance alerts on the digital screen.
If you like this video, please get subscribed. You'll get automatic updates from YouTube when we release new videos. It's a big help to our channel, and it's totally free. So, which is the best choice for you, the Samsung Jet 90 or the Dyson V11? Both are lightweight 2-in-1 vacuums with an assortment of tools. On both vacuums, maneuverability is great, maintenance is straightforward, and cleaning performance was excellent in our test. The highlights of the Samsung Jet 90 are multiple cleaning heads and the convenient charging stand. The soft roller head is great for hard floors, and it's nice that it's included along with the multi-surface cleaning head. The charging stand is great for storing the vacuum and makes it easy to charge the vacuum. The best parts of the Dyson V11 are the digital display and the superb cleaning performance. The V11 screen keeps users up to date with the remaining runtime, cleaning modes, and maintenance alerts. Cleaning performance on the V11 is one of the highest scores we've seen from any cordless vacuum, with an overall score of 99.8% across all floor and debris types. Well guys, that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Comments, questions, please drop us those notes down below. Do you have a Samsung or Dyson at home? We'd love to hear what you think about it in the comments. Check the link in the description if you're interested in buying the Samsung Jet 90 or Dyson V11. For more from Modern Castle, be sure to get subscribed, ring that bell, and visit us over at moderncastle.com. As always, thank you so much for watching.